Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Have you missed me? Because we have a good one for you today. We got some cabin air filter action right here with a plethora of pet hair. We have an engine air filter. Oh, the closer you get, you could see it's seen better days. It's not that bad compared to the cabin air filter. But, yeah, this vehicle came in today. They wanted their air conditioner evac and recharged. They wanted a state inspection too. And I can tell you this much right now, they ain't getting either one of them. They're not getting a state inspection, and we're not going to waste our time doing an evac and recharge. And not for nothing, we're going to show you why. You guys know what comes next. Let's take this piece up top. Well, we took it about halfway up, and I just wanted to show you the major reason why we are not performing an evac and recharge. This right here, that's our AC condenser. That's one of the lines going into it. Very good, right? Freaking wrong. Evac and recharge my car, and then they'll come back 2 weeks later complaining that their AC is not working, and then guess what? They're gonna blame it on me. Not today, devil, not today. We're gonna recommend this condenser to be replaced. What do you want me to do? Oh, look at this peephole. They're so polite to put a peephole here so we can look in here. Well, let's take the vehicle all the way up, because it only gets better. Now that we have taken it all the way up top, we are entering flavor country, ladies and gentlemen. As we could see this fried chicken control arm and the fried chicken muckle. That's what I'm gonna call this, a muckle. Why? Well, there's no freaking backing plate. It is gone. The other side, gone as well. But I will say this. This is the one positive thing that I will say about this car. This oil pan has never been down, and it is not leaking. Oh, they got the freaking Jiffy Lube special. Wonderful. Exhaust is looking pretty exhausted. What freaking size is this pipe? Wow. That has to be like an 1.5 inch diameter exhaust. Oh, into 2 inches. Alright, never mind. So meow, here's the elephant. This is a big ass elephant. Why? Well, we got a failure for state inspection here. Look at this. Look at all these flavor chips that are just falling off of it. This beam is most definitely compromised. And that's not even the worst side. Here's the really, really bad side. This thing is one good freaking pothole from knocking the right rear tire completely off, along with the suspension, freaking wheel bearing, hub, and speed sensor. That's all one piece, so it's all coming with it. So all flavor chips, you betcha. You freaking betcha. Vehicle hasn't been here in 4 years. They've probably been going to Jiffy Lube in those 4 years, or a Valvoline spot just to get their oil changed, and that's it. No multi-point inspection. They've probably been getting their state inspections done at some gas station where they don't actually lift the vehicle to look at it. Because in this state, you don't have to lift the vehicle, but when you go to a dealership, we do a freaking free multi-point. It's free. Get it. Get it. It's free. You will know more information about your vehicle than you ever did. And so what? They're trying to sell you stuff that your car actually needs. You see that? It needs it. You see that? It really needs it. I honestly hope I'm not driving in front of this vehicle, and I really don't want to be driving behind it, because the wheel might fall off and hit me, and the other way, the wheel might fall off and hit me. So please, ladies and gentlemen, I know dealerships do have bad raps, but the multi-point is free. Just get it. Build that relationship, build that rust, and we'll take care of you. In this case, you haven't been here in 4 years. We're going to inform you how bad your vehicle is. And unfortunately, I'm the bearer of bad news. I always give people bad news. And it's not because I enjoy giving people bad news. Well, a little bit. But Nevertheless, I just want to inform you about the crap condition that your vehicle is in so you can make a very highly educated decision based off the information that I give you. And I'm not trying to add snake oil to the car or fluff the repair order up with unnecessary suggestions. No. We are not like this. Me personally, I have never been like that. I just want to recommend the car be freaking safe for the road and safe for everybody around it. Especially safe for the people who use their turn signals all the time when they're supposed to. Not all these freaking goombas on the road nowadays that don't even do it. I don't know. Now at this point I'm venting, guys, so please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content. If they offer you a free multi-point, just take it.